Will art meet reality? This is Francis' artistic rendering of what the wall in the courtyard is supposed to look like. It's Wednesday late afternoon on the 31st. I'd done a bunch of videos of incremental work on the house, but I lost all the data. I can't find it anywhere, so it's gone. So I'm gonna have to start off from scratch. So you'll see work that's been done the last 2 weeks instead of the incremental work. You can see right now they're already starting to do a lot of work on the front gate. What you're looking at now is going to be the People's Gate to the front. It'll be a double gate. It'll be a rounded metal top on that. I'm just going to plant some Trinitarias, bougainvilleas, and make like a flowered arch. This is the driveway. There's also the same driveway on the other side down there, right next to where all those bricks are piled up. And this will be a double telescopic gate. It'll all slide up to the inside there on the outside of the house to be able to have a large gate that slides into a smaller area. And there'll be a fence out there. This area will be like a garden area when people walk through it. Coming up into the house. But you can see before they were digging out the trenches, they've already put the trenches in there, the rebar, etc., to reinforce the driveway on both sides. So we're doing some nice work in the front of the house. Well, look at this. The old slab was right below the board right there, so we now have poured the garage. It'll be finished nice and smooth, and then I'll put some nice metal flake sort of epoxy coating on it to make that really look good. But now I have an actual garage floor. The last video they were just starting this wall for the courtyard, and the heavy work's already been done. The wooden pergola's been put in. They've got, I think, got one coat of stain. They'll put some more stain on it. It'll look pretty much like the rest of the wood. And they're getting ready to brick up the front. I think that you'll see what it's supposed to look like in the artist drawing. This will be a door. And on the other side there, it'll be a fake door. So the courtyard wall is coming right along. This is the part that's going to be really interesting, and I think they're going to come out, I think next week, and finish it up. But this has to be a very precise cut for these big sliders that meet in the middle. And they've dug a trench, and they've got it, looks like it's probably leveled the right level. And I'm told that not to worry about the cut in the tile, because they have all kinds of magic ways of fixing it up, and you won't even be able to tell if there's any problems with cutting a tile. Although I do think that one piece of tile, you can see the big chip on it, that one piece of tile is going to have to be replaced. But I was told, don't worry about this, and don't worry about these cuts in the floor. It'll all be fixed properly when they install the windows across there. So I was wondering about these big frames. I couldn't figure out where they went to. And there's two of them. They don't have glass in them. And I know that those are doors for the sliders. These two big frames, I couldn't figure it out. And then Eric, one of the architects out here, Francis' friend, and he's kind of the supervisor here, he says that those are going to go above the beam. One will go between the wooden beam and the steel beam, the other one will go between the bricks and the beam. And that'll be the first part going up, and then they'll put a wooden vents on top of that to allow more air circulation. And I'm assuming there's also going to be another one that's probably not here yet that will fit into a good part of that angle. So we'll just have to wait and see. That's our big window. I look forward to seeing how we're going to work on that. This is Alida's little indoor garden. And there's going to be a piece of really nice, it's called eBay wood, IBE wood, that'll go in the transition. And then we'll build another pergola on top of that. So this will be a cute little indoor garden area.
Did you see the stairs?
No, what stairs?
I have a surprise for you.
Stairs?
Come here. Ta-da!
Wow, would you look at that? We have stairs. Wow, I'm not gonna walk down those things, but look at that, we have stairs. Oh, I'm gonna go down in the basement and check it out from down there. Wow, awesome, awesome, awesome. Look at that. We're downstairs, and what a difference these stairs make. In fact, I think they're unsolidly. I'm gonna go walking up them. Pretty sturdy. Of course, there's no wood, so it's kind of weird. But how nice that is. Nice stairs. I'm sure there'll be a nice landing there. Well done. Okay, this is the back side of the courtyard wall. And this big opening there is going to be like a big set of slatted vents. So it's not going to be open like that. And this area will have, I think it's going to have bricks on the outside, and that's a planter, so we'll be able to see plants on the outside. But you can see how nice they did with the woodwork. Very nice. So it's Thursday. I was told the cabinet guys are going to be out here doing some work, so I wanted to come out here. And I can see I've already got the block for the front fence. That'll be the driveway there. There'll be an iron fence there. The front entrance. And more Nitos doing one more layer of block there. So it's coming right along the front. There's a little more light in here today, so I'll go back in. This is the Casita vanity, and this is all the tile in the Casita bathroom. And they'll put, as I said before, they'll put in a framed-in drywall ceiling there. And these are the sinks for all the vanities in the house. There's 4 of them. So you pull it out. Very nice modern design. The drain toward the back. And they'll be mounted under the granite. So he's slapping some cement on there. That's kind of part of waterproofing, but really what it does is allows, when they put the smooth coat of cement on there, it'll make it stick better. That's sort of like primer for cement, what he's doing. You've already got it in the middle part. And that'll be, the part he's working on now is where those bricks will be put. Hey.